Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to delete account on X. So before you deactivate your X account, you may want a copy of your posts, messages, media, and basically all your X activity. And if you want that, I will now show you how you can do that. In X, type your profile picture in the top left, and now you want to scroll down to Settings and Privacy, and in your settings go to your account section, and from here select Download and Archive of your data section. After this, you have to sign in to your X account, and after this, X will prepare a large zip file for you with all that data. You'll be notified when that file will be ready to download. Now when you have your copy of your X data, your X activity, now let me show you how you can deactivate your X account. Let me close this, and please make sure that you're in the section Your Account from your settings. Now you want to go to section Deactivate Your Account. On your screen you will see the information provided by X, which explains what happens to your data. And now at the bottom you want to press this red Deactivate button. After this, you'll have to enter your X password to confirm the action that you really want to delete your account. And after this, your X account will be deactivated, which means deleted. One more thing, that if you log back into X account during the 30 days after you delete your X account, your account will be automatically reactivated and the deactivation process will be cancelled. So after 30 days of no login activity to X, platform will permanently delete your account and all the data that is associated with it. So yeah, that's basically how you can delete your account on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.